In this video, I'll guide you through how to archive Protonmail. Whether you're trying to clean up a cluttered inbox or just want to organize your messages without deleting anything, archiving is a simple and safe way to keep everything tidy. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your favorite web browser and go to protonmail.com. This is the official website where you access your secure email account. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual credentials. Make sure you're on the authentic Protonmail site, especially if you're typing the address manually, so your account stays secure. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main interface. Next, look for the inbox section. This is usually located in the left-hand sidebar, along with your other folders like drafts, sent, and archive. Click on Inbox to make sure you're viewing all of your incoming messages. You should now see a list of emails in the main area of the screen. These are the messages we're going to archive. Now you'll want to select the email or emails that you want to archive. Each email in your inbox has a small checkbox next to it, usually on the left side of the subject line. Hover your mouse over the email if you don't see it immediately. Click on that checkbox to select the email. When the checkbox is ticked, it means that message is now selected and ready for actions like archiving. If you want to archive more than one email at a time, simply continue clicking the checkboxes next to each additional message. This is a great way to clean up your inbox quickly, especially if you have a lot of older messages you don't need to see every day but still want to keep. Just be sure you're selecting the correct emails because everything you check will be moved together in the next step. Once you've selected the email or emails you want to archive, look for the option that says Move to Archive. This is typically found in the toolbar across the top of your message list, near other options like Delete, Move, or Label. The wording may vary slightly depending on updates to the interface, but you're looking specifically for the archive action. When you've found it, click on Move to Archive. After you click that, Protonmail will immediately move the selected messages out of your inbox and into the archive folder. They are not deleted, so you can still access them anytime you need. To double check that everything worked, you can click on the archive folder in the left-hand sidebar. You should see the emails you just archived listed there. Archiving is a helpful habit to keep your inbox focused on the messages that truly need your attention right now, while still keeping a record of older or less urgent conversations. You can always unarchive a message later by selecting it from the archive folder and using the move options to send it back to your inbox or another folder. That's all there is to it. You've learned how to archive emails in Protonmail by going to the site, opening your inbox, selecting your messages, and clicking Move to Archive. With just a few clicks, you can keep your inbox cleaner, more organized, and easier to manage over time.